All right, man, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you the easiest methods to start dropshipping today and what platform, what you need to do, what you can use so you can start making sales today using dropshipping. The method I'm gonna give is something that you can use without money, something that doesn't take a lot of time. So let me clarify, dropshipping at the end of the day is another business. And I emphasize this in every video because it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's nothing about it that is fast money. It takes work. There are different strategies to use, but in this particular strategy, it's one of the easiest ways that you can get started without having money up front. Now, so here's what it is. Typically with Shopify dropshipping, you start a website, you have a website domain, you start posting products or importing products from a Burlo or whatever importing software you use, and then you have to generate traffic to your site. That is the hardest part about dropshipping in that area, is generating traffic to your site so people can come, the correct people can come to your site and purchase. Now, we're going to eliminate that factor because we're going to sell on eBay. This is the easiest way to start dropshipping, is by using a platform that has millions of customers already on it. That way you can start selling and putting products in front of millions of customers immediately without any upfront fee. The fee that you will probably take is going to be from the platform. In the case of eBay, they'll take a percentage of whatever your list price is. So if you price your product at $6.99, they'll take some percentage of that $6.99. This hands down is the easiest way because you get a chance to put your product in front of millions of people without any upfront cost. You can scale and you can test different products, because let's say you post 3 products in one niche and they don't do well. You can immediately take those down and put up 3 different products in a different niche immediately and that will target a different audience, and it won't mess up your store, as in the sense of Shopify. Like if you have a domain for Shopify that says basketball attire and you sell basketball gear and you find out that niche doesn't work, you need to change your domain to a new niche and start your whole business over by branding and rebranding your store to fit the niche or industry that you're in. With eBay, doesn't really matter as long as you have a product that people are looking for. You can have products in different niches all over the place and just have a different variety of products, and that will allow you to reach plenty of customers. And that is a great way to test products, by starting out on eBay, listing your product, and that way you can immediately start getting sales. You can see what works, see what people are interested in, see the niches that people are interested in based on a variety of different products. And that way you can take down products that don't work and target and create similar listings for the products that do work. This way you can start to scale really fast, find your customer, what they're interested in, and at the end of the day, start making money. In the beginning, your profile on eBay will not have the ability to post a lot of products because they start you off small. So you may start off with like 10, if I'm not mistaken, or at least that's how it was when I started. And you have to get a few sales and then they'll up your limit, or you hit a few milestones as far as sales, as in like the actual numbers of generated revenue. Then it'll increase and slowly you'll be able to get more listings. And after a while of doing it and progressing, they allow you to scale really high. And that way you can post more products and allow you to make more revenue on their platform. At the end of the day, eBay is the best way to start dropshipping. The hard part about eBay is that you're competing with people that have USPS shipping, and it's clear that that's their choice of shipping to their customer, and you will not appear in that search method because you'll probably, if you want to run an honest and trustworthy business, you don't want to tell people that you're offering 3 to 7 day shipping when in reality you're offering 1 month shipping. You're going to pile up on bad reviews, and it's just not worth it. Take it from me, from experience, from having done that before. You don't want to have those bad reviews. It's just bad business. At the end of the day, it's just bad business, and you don't want to do that. And eBay will reach out to you and put a hold on your account. That's actually happened to me before because I had too many negative complaints. So no, you don't want to do that. You want to run a good business. Tell people the reality. Be transparent with your shipping times. Be price competitive if you feel like you need to be. It's strategy. Strategize the way you feel like you need to. But at the end of the day, the point I'm trying to make is that eBay dropshipping is the easiest way to start dropshipping as a whole. If you have no experience, it's a place and an opportunity for you to see what products people are interested in. It literally does not cost any money to start up front. There's literally no initial cost to the business model, because all you're going to do is list products from AliExpress, take a screenshot or save photos, import them to your listing when you're creating a listing for eBay, create, and then you wait for orders to come in. If orders don't come in a certain period, try a new product. take those down, put up 10 more, and just keep going until you start getting sales. Eventually you will get sales, and then you'll be able to create money and create more listings and scale that further than you might have imagined. So if you enjoy this quick tip, give it. So if you're new and you want to try drop shipping, try on eBay. It's a way for you to start. I would say it's very beginner friendly. You don't have the opportunity to lose much. The biggest thing when you're trying with eBay is just testing a lot of products. And it's not like drop shipping where you can create ads and make the product look special. It's all based on search. It's all based on what people are interested in based on search. So what you can do is you can use Amazon and eBay Chrome extension tools to help you find what products people are most searching for or have high volume, high sales, and high revenues. And that way you can try your best to put the best product that people are actually interested in, so you have a better chance of selling units. So if you enjoyed this video, please slap the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.